Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to add a true-false question to a lesson or quiz in Hello PLATO. So first I logged in by going to helloplato.io, clicking login, and entering my email address and password. And that takes me here to my teacher dashboard where I have two lessons that I'm working on building. I want to add a true-false question to this one, the Pythagorean theorem. So I click to open it. And then you can see I've started building this. I have an image, I have a video, I have a little bit of text. I need to put it in edit mode. And now I want to add a question. I'm going to select true, false, and I'm going to type my question in or paste it in if you already have it somewhere else. Thank you for correcting my spelling. There we go. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we know that's true. You could just stop here and not put any feedback, and when the student is taking the lesson inside of WhatsApp, our friendly learning assistant PLATO will tell the student if they got the answer right or wrong and what the correct answer was. If you want to add custom feedback, though, you do have an option to do that. You can encourage them. You can add something fun like an emoji. And you can add resources. Like this calculator that shows a student, when they enter information, the proof of the theorem. So you could add that. And the student would only see this link if they got the question incorrect. So that's a simple tutorial on how to add a true-false question to a lesson in Hello PLATO. I'm going to click save, and there we go. Now that's saved.